Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Children, we were discussing about time. Now we shall learn about something facts about calendar. You all know that how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. And you all can name them. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And there are 12 months in a year. They are from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. 1 week has 7 days, and 1 month has 4 weeks. 1 month has 4 weeks. 1 year has 12 months, and 1 year has 365 days, or sometimes 366 days also. The year which is called a leap year, in which February has 29 days, that year has 366 days, and that year is called a leap year. And 1 year is also equal to 52 weeks and 1 day. Now, how many days are there in a month? So, some months have 31 days and some have 30 days. For this, you can close your fist. The high joints are the months with 31 days, and the lower positions shows the month with 30 days. Only February has 28 or 29 days. See, in this picture you can see January comes from the high joint, it has 31 days. February in the lower fist, so lower position, so it has 29-28 days. March has again high position, 31 days. April has 30 days. May has 31 days. June has 30 days. July has 31 days. Okay, July and August both have 31 days, because they both come on high position when we close our fist. September has 30 days, October has 31 days, November has 30 days, and December has 31 days. In February, there are 28 days. After every 4 years, February has 29 days, and that year is called a leap year. So, in a leap year, there are 366 days. Every fourth year is a leap year. The year 2020, in which is coming to an end, was also a leap year. And the next leap year we can observe in 2024. In a leap year, February has 29 days, I have already told you, and a leap year can be divided by 4. Now see 216. If we divide 216 by 4, you will get 504. So 216 was a leap year. Similarly, 2024, if you divide 2024, it will be easily divisible by 4. So that year will also be a leap year. Okay. Now we shall discuss the exercise 10D. In your SST, you must have learned about some national festival. Those festivals which are celebrated by whole of the country. And there are some international days also. Now in this question, all the important national festivals are there, and some important days also which are observed by whole of the world, like Republic Day. You know, on this day our constitution was laid, and it is going to come. It will fall on 26th of January. Next is Gandhiji's birthday. Gandhiji was the father of nation. We call him father of nation or Bapu, and his birthday is on 2nd of October. Independence Day. You all know that India got independence on 15th August 1947. So Independence Day is observed as a national holiday or national festival on 15th August. Christmas. You know, 2 days before it was Christmas now. So when is Christmas? Christmas is on 25th of December. It is the birth of Jesus Christ. Teachers' Day. When you are coming to school, you are celebrating Teachers' Day in your school now. When is Teachers' Day? Teachers' Day is on 5th of September. It is celebrated on 5th of September. Then Women's Day. Women's Day is observed on 8th of March. And your day, that is Children's Day. When is Children's Day? Children's Day is on 14th November. It is the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was very fond of children, so his birthday is named as Children's Day. Now, let us see the fill in the blanks. You can look at the calendar of the current year and also the next year and solve this fill in the blanks. First Sunday in the month of January is, you can see in the new calendar, the first Sunday is on 3rd. But there are dash Sundays in the month of September. There are 4 Sundays in the month of September. August has dash Mondays. August has 5 Mondays. You can see it in the calendar. Last Sunday in the month of December is on, this is the last Sunday of the December today, and it is on 27th of December. Then Misha has holidays from 15th October to 17th October. His school was closed for how many days? 3 days. His school will start on which day? After 17th, what come? 18th. So school will start on 18th, which is a Friday. This is all about exercise 10D. You have to do this exercise in your book only and learn the names of the months and the days of the week and how many days are there in each month. Okay.